Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can see who shared your story on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, tap on the people icon in the icons tray at the bottom. You'll be able to see stories of your friends. If you click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner, you'll be able to share this story to anyone. After that, tap on your profile icon on the top right and you'll be redirected to your profiles page. And after that, you can swipe up in the story and you'll be able to see the viewers of your story. But right now, there's no such feature available that can tell you about who shared your story with anyone. But you can see who viewed your story if you have Snapchat Plus membership. And that's how you can see who shared your story on Snapchat. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.